Okay guys, we got a eastbound train coming here on EJ's Trains. Welcome. Eastbound train coming up the hill. It's a 4% grade, the West Chillicothe Hill. So this train will be pulling hard. Hear the horn echoing out in the background. Pretty cool. Pulling up a 4% grade. She's moving. Should be an westbound train coming. We got a red signal indication here. So we should have a westbound train coming as well. So there should be double action here. Here she comes. Should be coming around the corner any second. Milepost 132, West Chillicothe subdivision, Chillicothe, Illinois. We got a westbound train coming. Should be just around the corner. You'll see the headlights any second. I can hear it. My headlights on. Turn my headlights on. Alright guys, westbound train should be on its way. I can hear it in the background. Trying to get my camera situated. Yeah, they were just at milepost 125 a while ago, and this is milepost 132, so it should be coming around the corner. Pretty quick. Beautiful, beautiful evening. Well, thought she was coming, unless she stopped. I'll stop this video here, and then we'll continue when I see the lights coming.